Hello and welcome to this Rolls-Royce build, and it's being done for MLM or Diecast Modelers Community, DMC. You can find them on Facebook, and we're going to be taking this Rolls-Royce, well, not this one but one very similar, from shabby to shiny. And this must be a bit of a shock, but the theme was any British car, and this was where I made a start. I was going to do a Singer Vogue, an old dinky, but it had a very badly damaged roof and very fine roof struts, so in the end it succumbed to an hammer blow and flattened it. So I have all the other parts, I'm just looking for a body casting for it to make it up. But anyway, here's my real candidate now. This is the actual car, a wee bit battered and a wee bit bruised, but otherwise a very nice candidate. Sound, it just needs paint really. And a lot of my cars at the moment I'm using as paint murals to try new paints, new effects. And this was one that was an idea for a simple paint. You'll see where we go in the end, but in the meantime, let's drill this sucker apart. And here I'm using a drill just a little bit bigger than the mushroomed over rivets. And there's the interior, I'm leaving that as is. It's not really very visible, and I think the silver will give a good contrast for the colour I'm going to do and make the interior stand out a little bit more. Anyway, let's get the paint stripped off this furthermucker. And here we go. There we go. Came off reasonably easy. And here I'm just filing to take bits of seam lines off. And here I'm polishing, only in certain areas for me technique I want to use on it. Another technique I'm starting using recently. And keep on with the polishing on the other side, and on the bonnet, and on the boot lid, headlights, etc. And there we go, polished up, looking splendiferous. Anyway, at this point, we're drilling out with a 1.7mm drill bit to accept an M2 tap. And at the moment, all I'm doing is tapping in for about... I put the first 5 threads on just to get the screw going, and then I rely on it once it's going into the thread to self-tap into it. It lessens the likelihood of snapping your tap, as the screw does the harder bit, so you're not snapping the tap into the hole. And here we go, this is the part where I'm screwing into it and letting the screw do the self-tapping. It just needs them first few threads to get going. And that point I was doing the colour coat. I've sprayed it matte black first, and then I've sprayed pearl black. It's Createx pearl black, or more correctly, Createx 2.0. Pearl black, I think it is. Anyway, at that point, I think I've put the first layer of clear on. Or maybe not, I don't think. No, that's just with clearing all the chrome scraped off and cleared. Anyway, here we go, polishing the screen. I didn't dip it this time, I didn't deem it necessary. It wasn't too bad a job. And here, we just super gluing the radiator back on. And there we go, back in place. Pity you couldn't see it though. Anyway, here we just using the Molotov pen, used with a brush to paint the wheels in. And at this point, we're going to assemble it. There we go, putting it back together. And there you go. And here I'm trying bits of different lighting solutions, moving them around. But as you can see, it's a beautiful deep shine. And the pearl black sparkles. And it looks very, very regal, I think the word would be. But as you can see, just trying different lighting ideas. Well, there you go, the sparkle there. I've ordered some cosmic sparkle from the States, so you can add to paints and stuff etc to give a sparkle. So that'll be giving a whiz out in the future. But there we go. Another slightly different lighting angle. I quite like this one. Shows all the individual LEDs on my lighting. And here we go. The trouble with black is it's a bugger. It picks up every speck of dust, especially highly polished like that. That's quite a nice lighting thing for picking up the sparkle, but it also picks up the dust. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you to all my subscribers, and bye for now.